So I got the black um, with the Nike, the black Nike wristband, which is right here. And I also got another wristband, which I will show you in this unboxing, from Amazon. Okay, so let's open this up here. And what we get over here is, there is the Apple Watch right here. And booklet we can put aside. And here's the charger. The wireless charger for the watch. So let's unbox this right here. And there we have it. Put this aside here. Put this aside. And then the Apple Watch, which is right here. It's kept in this little pouch. Oh, there we go. Amazing. The Apple Watch is very clean. And I got the 44 enlarged. And now we're going to put that aside. And the other thing it comes with is the band. This is the Nike iWatch band. So let's unbox that. I have a sticker right here that has to come off. Oh yeah, so you have to peel the sticker. I got a solution for that. Okay. Oh, I got a pull tab on the side. Like that. Alright. This pulls out. And there you go. Or the two bands. Is that three bands? With this, I guess it comes with the long and short, depending on how you want it. So, let's put this. Put this on. You go like that. really nice. Um, Quality seems really premium. And there you have it. So after you've gotten your Apple Watch, you have to go through the obvious setup and it should boot up nicely. Just gotta press this button right here. First time booting up. See, oh, there it goes. So, I did order another band from Amazon, and I also ordered a screen protector because that is very important when it comes, what is very important when it comes to your Apple Watch is a screen protector. So make sure you have a screen protector for your Apple Watch. The same way you want to protect your iPhone, you want to protect your iWatch. And over here, I got a new leather band, which we can take a look. Let me open it up. And there you have it. This is a more premium leather band for the iWatch. I got this to give it that more premium look, just in case I want to go out somewhere. But majority of the time, I'll probably use a Nike one for exercising because it's best and it's very breathable. So, all right. So this is my Apple Watch unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I recommend that anybody go out get an Apple Watch because this year it comes with an oxygen sensor and ECG sensor, heart monitor, which is excellent for anybody that's suffering for any heart problems or just wants to keep a daily active notice and be informed about their health. This will definitely help. So that's all I gotta say for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.